Hello everyone, this is Norris once again. I believe this is a very important news sa mga taong umaalis from the Philippines about the departure. May bago pong requirement which is medyo stricto po at kailangang paghandaan sa mga aalis that will gonna be in effect by starting September 7 or first week of September 2023. The reason behind is to protect Filipinos from illegal recruitment or human trafficking daw, sabi ng immigration sa Pilipinas. Sa ngayon po, madami pong na-upload or hindi pinapasakay o di kaya nalilate sa kanilang flight dahil sa Philippine immigration new policies. So the guidelines for departure screening. For sponsored or sagot ng iba ang kanilang expenses to go overseas, whether mag-aaral ka, mag-estudyante or work permit, aside from the pasaporte, dapat may 6 months or more ang validity, valid visa sa bansang pupuntahan if visa is required, or electronic travel authorization if it is allowed. Boarding pass, importante yon, and of course, yung confirmed return round-trip ticket. But of course, para po lang sa mga tourist visa yon. Kapag ka work permit at saka student permit, one-way ticket is fine. If the traveler is being sponsored by a first-degree relative, such as anak, siblings, parents, asawa, ang mga kakailanganin ay original Philippine Statistic Authority issued birth certificate, marriage certificate as a proof. The sponsor should also provide valid passport, valid status of the sponsor to the country they are going to, such as permanent residence, green card, citizenship, or work permit na valid. Because we're not just talking we're not just talking Canada here right now. We're talking all over the world. And if far from the first degree, like aunties, in-laws, at iba pa, again, original PSA certificates, notarized from the Philippine Consulate with the red ribbon, original affidavit of support, confirm return of the traveler or round-trip ticket para sa mga tourist visa holders, original PSA issued birth certificate or marriage certificate showing the exact relationship between the passenger and the sponsor. Kailangan din ng legal letter of support stating that the travel is only for tourism purposes and stating also that the traveler will come back to the Philippines. Otherwise, magkakaroon daw ng effects sa mga traveler and sponsor for future purposes regarding this capacity. If the relationship is also girlfriend or boyfriend ang nag-invite sa kanila, kailangan din ng proof of relationship. So listen to this.
Pero paano halimbawa yung mga inimbitahan naman ng kasintahang banyaga? May karagdagang requirement daw para dyan.
They may show proof po of their relationship. That could be photos, that could be any document po. Tinitingnan din po who the sponsor is. Hindi lang po yung relationship nila, but who the sponsor is upang malaman if this is a legal person and kung nag-sponsor na ba siya ng ibang tao before, yung address, contact information nung sponsor na yon for the Philippine government to be able to siguro locate should there need to be should issues arise.
Naglatag rin ng requirements para sa mga pagbiyahe ng mga OFW, mga menor de edad, mga mag-aaral abroad, volunteer workers, mga pupunta sa Hajj at iba pa. Pero sa dami ng hahanaping requirement, hindi ba ito masyadong stricto at nalalabag na ang karapatan na bumiyahe?
The reason for instituting revised guidelines is a matter of national security. So we pass these guidelines in the hope that we protect our fellow citizens from the perils of human trafficking. This, as I said, is not a curtailment of the right to travel, but really it's an enforcement of policy.
Sa primary screening, pwedeng i-clear o i-defer agad ng immigration officer ang biyahero. Pero kailangan niyang ipaliwanag ang dahilan para dito. May 15 minuto naman ang immigration officer na gawin ang secondary screening. Pero hindi man ito patatagalin pa. Ang napakahaba ng ang pila sa immigration.
It will only take a matter of 45 seconds to scan and to validate all the documents. The process will still be limited to 45 seconds, pero at least alam na po ng mga kababayan natin kung ano dadalhin nila.
Sari-sari ang opinyon ng mga pasaherong nakausap namin.
Kasi ako hindi ko alam. Ano na lang po nila ituloy para hindi mapahamak.
Epektibo ang revised guidelines sa unang linggo ng Setyembre. Maaaring basahin ang kumpletong guidelines at kakailanganing requirements sa Official Gazette ng
So
pamahalaan.
my opinion, mga kapatid o mga kababayan, as a Filipino immigration consultant sa Canada, I believe in terms of the rule in Canadian immigration, wala pong rule sa Canada na sinasabi na once you come here as a tourist, hindi na pwedeng mapalitan ang inyong work permit. That's actually conflicting to yung sa immigration sa Pilipinas, sa totoo lang. So, again, I just wanted to clarify, immigration in Canada and immigration sa Pilipinas are completely different. Kung ano man yung gumawa ng immigration law doon, coming to Canada, they are actually blindsided with our own rule. They don't know. They just wanted to look after what they want. Pero sa Canada, sa loob ng Canada, I'm telling you, you can always change your tourist visa at saka student permit or any kind of status you have inside Canada. So, again, that is my opinion. I'm talking about the immigration law sa Canada and magkaiba po ang immigration law sa Pilipinas. So again, they can change again kasi nga, as what I've said, when at first they were like, they tried to create a polo before, yung kailangan authenticated lahat and everything, and it took them 3 months, 4 months, 5 months, that even agencies will process that, and that will cost them 25,000 to 30,000 pesos para lang po sa mga authentication. Yes, the immigration of the Philippines would say wala namang bayad, pero hindi it is very difficult. That's why they have to end up hiring an agency dapat sa Pilipinas, and that Philippine agency will gonna charge them at least $900, $1,000 for processing ng polo. So madami pong na-offload noong time na yon before pandemic, but right now inalis na naman, and then as what I've seen, wala naman pong naging epekto dito sa Canada. I'm just talking about immigration law sa Canada. But again, if you have some questions, please feel free to comment below and I will try my best to answer. Again, this is Norris, your immigration consultant. Have a great day. Bye-bye.